So to use the graphics window, this is the best way to use different elements in Canva. Say for example, you don't want shapes, but you want to use elements that are like textures or shapes or, different types of shapes, objects, that sort of thing. The graphics window is probably the best way to kind of do it. Say for example, you want to start with a blank canvas. All you need to do is use the Elements tab on the left here. So when you click open the Elements tab, it's going to come up with maybe objects that you've used in the past. So for example, you've got shapes here, which are different objects or elements that are here as you can scroll left and right. If you scroll down, you might see more than just graphics and shapes, but you might see different objects, frames, textures, videos. You've got different, elements that you can pick from. If you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you should have your collections, and these are a good way to sort of see what Canva offers you in terms of graphics. So, say you want something fun or hip, or you've got like a kids coaching class or something, you've got different collections that you can pick and choose from. And these all sort of fit that same illustration style that you can use here. So say for example, you've got like a basketball coaching session. You can use graphics from the same collection and sort of cater this to kind of what you need as a graphic in this sense. So you can easily sort of cater towards what you kind of need. If they all sort of fit that same illustration style, then this is the best way to kind of do it. Then you can obviously put your text in there, and these all sort of fit that same style. There's a different way that you can kind of do this as well. You can kind of browse through different illustration styles here. The probably easiest way to sort of do this is in the elements. So if you just search for what you want, it will usually appear and you'll get suggested versions. So for example, we get graphics, and let's just say we search basketball. This is where Canva will give you all its generated graphics content to pick and choose. They're not all going to be the same type of content or look the same, but it'll sort of fit that look. So say for example we want to go for something that is a bit more vintage. We'll delete everything else. Canva will give you magic recommendations to sort of pick and choose from. These aren't all the same, but they kind of fit that same cartoonish, feel to what you're kind of after. So just tinker around with the search menu, and then you can kind of scroll across on the right here. I'll just type that in again. And then you can kind of see Canva gives you options to pick and choose from. They won't be the same aesthetic style, but there'll be different, styles that you can sort of pick and choose from as well, if you don't want a specific look and feel. Okay. So that's probably the two best ways you can do it through the Elements window. Basically, your wish is your command by searching in the Elements bar. It gives you a lot of options. If you're after textures, that sort of thing, always remember Canva will give you options as suggestions. So just kind of play around with the menu and kind of explore and click around and see what Canva kind of gives you in terms of what you're looking for. Okay. Alright, let me know if you've got any questions. If you would like some coaching on Canva or Illustrator, just let me know and I'll leave the link in the description. Alright, thanks.